Hello everyone, my name is Ana Rita Oliveira and I'm a researcher currently specializing in enterprise excellence and sustainable continuous improvement. I'm pursuing my PhD at Southeast Technological University in Ireland, and I'm thrilled that at this year I will be presenting a workshop with Professor Peter Hines on the systems behind achieving the Shingle Prize. In this session, we will give you an inside look at how top performing organizations structure and align their systems to drive world-class results. In the workshop, we will have guided discussions and structured and interactive exercises, and we will explore the key systems that Shingle Prize recipients prioritize, how these systems have evolved to sustain excellence over time, and we will give you practical ways to assess and improve your own organizational systems. So I would say that if you're leading or supporting continuous improvement efforts in your organization, this workshop will give you practical strategies to elevate your impact. On the following day, I'll also be delivering a presentation on the key systems driving enterprise excellence, and I'll share with you insights from an analysis of Shingle Prize recipients over the past decade, and we will dive into what makes organizations stand out and how you can apply these insights to drive long-term success. So I'd love for you to join us, connect and exchange ideas, and I'm looking forward to seeing you all at the conference.